Rujo.
My name is Aryan Steven Manuel Danganan.
My name is Jason James Coach.
My name is Joshua Baquero.
We are the Group 4.
1, 2, 3, go.
Today, I'll be introducing the parts for AP13 Challenge. First part is the Arduino Uno board. The second part are the 9 jumper cables. The third part is the motor fan. The fourth part is the relay. The fifth part is the push button. The sixth part is the buzzer. The seventh part are the 2 resistors. And the final part is the USB cable. The next part is the LED cable.
Eight, 2, 6, 0.
My name is Joshua Baquero and I will show you our code of our group, which is Group 4 AP13 with challenge po. So yung ginawa po namin challenge, sir, is naglagay po kami ng push button po, then yung buzzer, yung ilaw po, then yung fan po. So ang ginawa po namin, sir, is kapag in-on po namin, pag pinindot po namin yung button po, is mag-open po yung ilaw, then gagana po yung fan niya. Then kapag pinindot po ulit namin yung button, which is mamamatay po yung ilaw, then mamamatay din po yung fan, then doon po siya po magbabuzzer. And yun lamang po. Thank you po.